What's going on, everybody? Joey here, testing out a new product. You know how much I love new products. And today I have something very interesting I found online off of Amazon. And pretty much it's Lumicover. So basically, you usually have night lights or you have different accent lightings that you use in hallways to keep things lit when you use it in the dark. But for these, instead of installing an actual light or install more wiring, that kind of thing, this is just a face cover that goes over your outlet and it lights up. That's pretty crazy. I've never thought of that. So if you look on the back, which I'll show a good close-up picture, you can see just the two prongs right here, and they connect to both sides of the outlet, the positive and the negative, and supposedly that's all you need to do. So let's try installing it out. Instructions very easy. Turn off power, got that done. I'm going to take off the old cover, put on the new cover, and there we go. That's it. So let's try it out and test these products. Again, not sponsored or anything. This is just something I found interesting and trying it from online. So with my handy dandy outlet tester, I can put this in and no, this outlet is off. So I'm going to be safe. So that's the first thing you need to test out. So we will untake this cover off. That's going to be step one of the process. Now step two is to put it on. Now you can see down here, this is where the light comes out of. The light's going to be going down. And man, oh, it just goes right on these two screws right there. Now if you can see those, we'll zoom in. We got one screw right here, and we have the one screw right on the other side you can't see. So it should just go right on top of like so. We'll unscrew this screw a little bit, make sure we got a good fit. And there we go, that's all to it. And as simple as that, we get some decorating light going on right here. I'll probably put a couple more strategically around so I know when I walk up the stairs, come around here, it's always going to be lighted, even at night. So hopefully that helps out somebody. If you want to check out these products, as I said, check out the description. I'll put it up on Amazon. They look super cool, so try it. With that, as always, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and please stay tuned and check out more from the channel.